Hi friends, today we have a topic of alternative resources and also how to conserve the natural resources. Means how to save the environment, how to protect the environment, that methods we will learn here. Before that, resources are found in the nature. That resources are two types: renewable, non-renewable. Renewable we use again and again after the usage because they are unlimited, abundantly found in the nature. They may not complete, inexhaustible, like the sunlight, water, winds, forest, etc. But non-renewable resources, after completing one time, we may not generate again. We can't replace it, like coal, petrol, diesel, fossil fuels, minerals, such kind of. They are in a limited manner. If you use one time, it may complete total. Okay, so most of the people depended on non-renewable resources nowadays, like a coal, petrol, diesel, fossils, minerals, but they are in a limited manner. For future we may not get again and again if we complete it. So we have to save the non-renewable fossil fuels and minerals for future generation purpose. That is the main topic here. Next, how to conserve the natural resources. How to conserve the natural resources. It means how to save the environment by some methods, eco-friendly methods. For example, non-renewable resources which are limited, we have to use them in a wise manner. In a wise manner, because we have to save it for future. We have to save it for future. Next, we have to use mostly renewable. We should not depend on the non-renewable. We have to utilize mostly renewable, not depending on the non-renewable. And eco-friendly methods, what we are discussing, means environment saving methods. How to save the natural resources means, for example, forest, saplings, okay, like Hardharam programs, planting trees, afforestation we have to develop. This is one method. Next, we have to separate the biodegradable waste and the non-biodegradable waste. We have to separate the biodegradable and the non-biodegradable. What is meant by this? Biodegradable means the waste material which mixes with soil. The waste material which mixes with the soil. But non-biodegradable means which is not mixing with the soil. Okay. For example, a peel of banana peel, if you throw outside into the soil, it will decompose easily into the soil. But a plastic cover or plastic bottle which is not decomposes easily into water or water bodies or soils, so it may create some pollution. So we can stop it by recycling. So first we have to divide the waste material into biodegradable, which mixes with soil, non-biodegradable, which is not mixing into soil or water, that we can recycle it. So first one, planting trees is a method, eco-friendly method to save the natural resources. Next, separate the biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Next, don't waste water in our daily life, like taps. When you are brushing, continuously it will run, and when we are not using the taps, when we are not using the water at the time also, tap is in a running manner. Fresh water on this earth is available in a limited manner. Nowadays shortage we have in summer season groundwater, so particularly we have to save the water. For that, don't waste water. Don't waste water. Trees should not be cut for paper purpose. Alternative methods, okay, e-papers or electronic new technology we have to use in that methods. But we have to save the plants for paper making purpose. We have to minimize the cutting of trees. Okay. Next, solar, wind and water energy we have to generate. I already said alternative resources instead of fossil fuels, coal, petrol, instead of that solar power, wind power and hydroelectricity we have to use. Nowadays we are using vehicles for traveling purpose, but public transport is better to save the environment, because 40 to 50 people can transport easily in one vehicle by using less amount of petrol or diesel. But if you use the private vehicles of two-wheeler or cars, such kind of more amount of fossil fuels are required, petrol and diesel, which creates a pollution also. So limited availability of fossil fuels will be lost. More pollution is created, sound pollution is created, air pollution is created. So we can save the environment by public transportation, encouraging buses, such kind of. Next, CNG gas, compressed natural gas. Instead of petrol, diesel in cars, such kind of we can use some CNG, compressed natural gas, with that pollution will emit very less. Okay, this is our topic, and less usage of plastic is very important in our daily life to conserve the natural resources.